Imagine waking up not to a blaring alarm, but to the gentle brightening of your room, your mind clear, your body rested. This isn't a luxury retreat, it's a reality you can create at home by tuning your environment to support your biology. Small, intentional changes, like clean air and sunrise mimicking light, can transform your mornings. Your home can be more than a place to eat and sleep. It can be a powerful partner in your well-being. The quality of light, air, and even temperature constantly send signals to your body. For too long, our homes have been filled with disruptive signals, harsh blue light, stagnant air, and stressors. By curating these signals, you can turn your home into a haven of healing and energy. This is biohacking made simple, affordable, accessible, and science-backed. Your sanctuary awaits. Let's begin the transformation. We think of threats to our health as coming from outside, but our homes are often silent contributors to poor sleep, stress, and fatigue. Our bodies crave natural cycles of light and clean air, yet our homes bombard us with artificial blue light and polluted air. Blue light from screens and bulbs suppresses melatonin, disrupting sleep and leaving us tired. Indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, filled with chemicals from furniture, paint, and cleaners. This constant exposure stresses our bodies, leading to chronic health issues. The problem isn't just personal, it's environmental, and it's time to reclaim our homes for health. Biohacking isn't about expensive gadgets. It's about simple, science-backed changes anyone can make. For under $100, you can radically improve your home and health. Blackout curtains for darkness, red nightlights, and houseplants like snake plant or spider plant are affordable and effective. NASA's Clean Air study shows these plants filter toxins. Opening your windows daily is free and powerful. The National Institutes of Health confirms that quality sleep and a healthy environment are foundational. Weighted blankets and aromatherapy are also proven low-cost tools. You don't need a big budget, just a smart plan and the willingness to start. Sleep is the foundation of health, and your bedroom should be a sanctuary for it. Darkness is key. Blackout curtains block disruptive light and cost little. Weighted blankets use gentle pressure to calm the nervous system, helping you fall and stay asleep. Red light bulbs in your bedside lamp won't disrupt melatonin, unlike blue light from screens. Create a digital sunset, switch to warm, dim lighting, and put away screens an hour before bed. Establish a calming wind-down ritual: tea, reading, stretching, or music. These simple steps send powerful cues to your body that it's time to rest. You don't need expensive tech, just darkness, gentle pressure, and a soothing routine. Layer these changes for a dramatic improvement in sleep. Your best nights are within reach. We filter our water, but often forget the air we breathe. Houseplants like snake plant and peace lily, proven by NASA, remove toxins for under $20 each. Essential oil diffusers with pure lavender or eucalyptus offer a healthier alternative to chemical air fresheners. Open your windows for 15 minutes daily to flush out pollutants. Ventilation is free and effective. For tight budgets, a DIY air filter with a furnace filter and box fan works wonders. Choose low-VOC products to prevent new pollutants from entering your home. Combine plants, aromatherapy, and ventilation for cleaner, healthier air. Every breath can support your well-being. Real people across the country are transforming their health with small, affordable changes. Sarah, a Chicago renter, cured her insomnia with $25 blackout curtains, her first full night's sleep in years. David, a teacher in Phoenix, found calm and relief from anxiety with a $60 weighted blanket. Maria, a grad student in Austin, improved her air quality and reduced headaches with houseplants and a diffuser. None of them made drastic life changes or spent a fortune. They simply identified a key stressor and used a science-backed, low-cost solution. Their stories prove anyone, anywhere can create a sanctuary. Small steps, big results. As you upgrade your home, avoid common mistakes. Don't live in darkness all day. Open your curtains in the morning for natural light to set your circadian rhythm. Use essential oils sparingly. Too much can cause irritation, and always buy pure oils. Weighted blankets should be about 10% of your body weight. Too heavy can be unsafe. Ensure anyone using a weighted blanket can remove it themselves. Avoid for young children or those with health issues. Don't seal your home tight. Ventilation is crucial to prevent stale air and fatigue. Purification and fresh air go hand in hand. A healthy home breathes. Transforming your home doesn't have to be overwhelming or expensive. Start small. Prioritize changes with the biggest impact. If you have $30, invest in blackout curtains for better sleep. With $50, add air-purifying plants and a red light bulb. At $100, include a weighted blanket or essential oil diffuser, depending on your needs. Renters can focus on portable solutions. Curtains, plants, diffusers, and blankets move with you. Layer changes over time. Darkness this month, plants next, natural cleaners after. Every small step builds a healthier, more supportive home. Progress is gradual. Each change matters. Your sanctuary is shaped by both your environment and your habits. Get 10-15 minutes of morning sunlight to set your internal clock and boost energy. Start your day with a glass of water to rehydrate and kickstart your metabolism. Finish eating at least 3 hours before bed to support restful sleep. Keep your bedroom cool, between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal rest. Implement a digital sunset. Turn off screens 60-90 minutes before bed. Use this time for a calming ritual, reading, stretching, or journaling. Write down worries to clear your mind before sleep. These low-cost, ancient strategies, darkness, clean air, gentle pressure, and mindful habits, empower you to reclaim your health. Start tonight. Dim the lights, breathe deeply, and give your body the rest it deserves.